Hi, so my name is Nikhil. So this is my AI automation visual builder sort of a thing, which is inspired from tools like NetEnt, Zapier, or even Sim. So these is the landing page. Here we can see different workflows already in place. Here's a helper button which will essentially go through all the things which are already present uh, in the tool itself. So you can see the how configuration works, how connection works, what APIs are required, how to configure them, and what extra features like execution features and all other stuff which I'll go through in the short tutorial. So these are different workflows which you can execute right now, but I won't because I want to show you a very well good demo. So here you can see that here we have an AI Copilot here itself. There are lots many things, so don't worry about it. I will give a good demo. So we can say create a TLTR automation workflow to summarize medium article. Let's see what does AI Copilot comes up with. So all of this is built upon TypeScript. The front end is React, Shadcy, and UI to be precise, uh, and the backend is entirely TypeScript. LLM which I'm using right now is DeepSeek. So because I don't have much money and yeah, I'm quite broke. So since it's a cheap alternative to OpenAI, why not? So yeah, and sometimes it takes time to generate this. I have also used what's it called? Sorry, OpenAI, and it's quite faster compared to DeepSeek, definitely. But let's see. Uh, it is what it is, right? So input here we can select different stuff, but I'll choose URL as let's keep that something. Here's an interesting button called optimize prompt. So optimize prompt will essentially take this prompt and optimize it based on the workflow needs. So instead of saying processor, this is essentially a more of a generic prompt I have kept. So we can edit this like summarize the content from. Okay, so let's just do that. So uh, just in case you don't know using it for the first time, input to one dot output essentially is the output from the input block, data input block. If any other node which is not directly or even directly wants to access the output of input data, we can use something like this. So let's just optimize prompt for better results. Might take some time. So okay, data analyst. Yeah. All right. Uh, let's apply this. Okay, and output is a text file. So result dot text. Currently, we are not storing result.txt anywhere. So like it's in the browser itself. So I won't be able to show you text output, but let's just see the entire flow, right? That would be better. Uh, this runs this time. So, yeah, so in that way, it is very clear that how quickly the input works, and sorry, how good the AI Copilot works. I have integrated different keys. I have yet to connect any databases, which I will do so very soon, and I have also introduced workflow scheduler so we can perform cron jobs which we can perform parallel or conditional. So these are still in beta mode, so these are not yet applicable. Execution, as I already said, execution is whatever the default values are already present in the nodes, those will be executed in the workflow node, or anything new comes up we can execute from the landing page itself. Yeah, I think we can show this on next week. I think there would be a better result to this. As yeah, one more. I think I can show you one more. Yeah. Let me go back and yeah, you can see this one. This one is way more. It was working way better compared to this. So this is more of a complicated, you can say, workflow compared to the previous one. So here we are taking input from documentations, basically different docs which we have. Suppose for E2B we use Daytona. We just bring in those doc URL, web scraping, which is essentially using Firecrawl. So we are extracting a markdown or even text file from the website itself, and then we are passing it to the LLM to give us a way more a summarized way or a better way to get started, or ask a or get a better understanding of what all the documentation has to offer, and then we are structuring the output and storing the output. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll be back with a better or an improved version of this next time. Thank you.